Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set your default speaker, audio, or sound output on Windows 11 or Windows 10. It's super simple and can help you switch between different devices like speakers, headphones, or external audio systems. First, let's open the settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, click on System, then select Sound. Here you will see the Output section, which shows all your available audio devices. These are the devices that your sound can be played through. Now, to change your default audio device, just click on the device you want to set as default from the list under Choose Your Output Device. Once you've selected it, your sound will automatically be directed to that device. And that's it. Now your default audio output device is set and your sound should be coming through the device you selected. Remember, if you ever want to change it again, just follow the same steps to choose a different device. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or if you're experiencing any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.